Hey y'all, coming to you from international headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was at the 2023 NSRA Street Rod Nationals in Louisville, and I came across a very cool 1967 Ford F100 I think y'all are gonna like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it. I dig it. 8-stack Borla up under the hood. I'm a big fan of blue, and that is a color that I really dig. At certain angles it looks black, and certain angles it really pops blue. I dig it. I like that they left all the bright work, or a lot of the bright work still on it, against that dark color. '23 NSRA Street Rod Nationals, Louisville, Kentucky. Usually they would have a paint distributor with cars displayed in here, but this year they didn't. They had this set up with Legens Hot Rods. Some people say Legens. I say Legends. Steve is a legend to me. He always builds cool. Nice guy. Been with me since the beginning. Always, you know, right there to offer his products for me to shoot, information, whatever it is I need. So I like when he comes out with something new, and he's been taking the last few, not this one, but the last few to Steve Holcomb, Pro Auto Custom Interiors. So I really like that. Get him shot out there. Don't have to fight the crowd at a car show. I like that interior though. It's very stock looking. I like the bench seat. I really, really dig that wheel. That steering wheel, I think, just sets off that whole interior. The gauges, I love those. I like everything about this truck. The stance, the color, engine choice, you name it. I wouldn't change a thing. 5.0 Coyote, 11-to-1 compression GT block, so it's not just your normal Coyote takeout from some wrecked Mustang somewhere. And then you got Borla 8-stacked injection, which is always cool. Advanced plating did the bright work on it. I'm down. I dig it. Vintage air. Low car's got some parts in there. They make like levers and door handles and things like that. Also trim parts, pieces. They're local to Knoxville. I've been trying to get them to let me do some RC car racing in their parking lot. So I'm going to give them a shout out in the video, see if that butters them up at all. Shot wheels, I didn't get to size, but I really dig the design. I like the brake layout, everything about them. Tire size is perfect, stance is perfect. That wheel, look at that close, and it's got some like brushed and shiny parts to it. Not just the hoop, but on the face. I dig it. Art Morrison, IFS and power rack in the front. Missed that when we were peeking up underneath. Just a really, really cool truck that after you show it for a little while, you'll be able to get in it, drive to Dairy Queen, whatever you want to do. I wouldn't daily it, but it's a truck that you could drive a lot. In my humble opinion, of course. I didn't pay for it, so what does that mean? So there you go, from the 2023 NSRA Street Rod Nationals in Louisville, Kentucky, Randy Martin's 1967 Ford F100. Hope you all enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.